In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily recover deleted reels on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Instagram app. After that, tap right here to go to your Instagram profile. Then tap right here at this hamburger menu. And then select your activity. After that, scroll down to the very bottom where you can find download your information. On the next step, we need to tap right here at this button. Then just select your Instagram account, tap at next, select all available information. Keep download to device selected and then tap at next. After that, hit right here at create files. When you click here, your request will be sent and a file containing all your account information, including reels, will start to be generated. As you can see now, right here, your request it says here that it is in progress, and when the file is created you will be notified about that by email, and you can find it right here at available downloads. As you can see, I already have previous requested file here, and now I can tap at download to download it to my device. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.